We will be talking about template layout overview. Template layout overview. Okay, while you are logged into your portal, in the module section to the left of your screen, under the school management section, you click on template layout and you click on create template. When you click on create template, the page loads up and you get to see the different areas of the template layout module. The reason why we create template is that you are given the privilege on our school portal to create different kinds of report. Okay, whether it's a report for a progress report or a final report or timely report, or it could be an invoice statement, or it could be a receipt. You have different format or different templates of how these reports and documents look like. And that's the reason why we have the template layout so that you can actually modify or create from scratch your intended document, whether it's an invoice, a receipt, a final report, broadsheet, a progress report, or continuous assessment report. You could easily do that with the template layout. So I'll just show you around on the page. We have the layout options segment. This layout options gives you the opportunity to create a new template. Okay, the title of the template will be here. The type of template you want to create. Is it an invoice, a receipt? Is it admission? Is it progress report? Is it final report? Is it broadsheet? Okay, the type of the template you want to create. So each of these templates can be created using a platform. You have the default size. Each of these size, whether it's an invoice have a particular size, and this is the size A5. Okay, a receipt has a size A6. This is it. A progress report has a size A4. A final report also has a size A4. A broadsheet has a size A4. It could either be landscape, the default orientation, landscape or portrait, so you can as well choose that. The custom theme, we currently have only default available there. Subsequent versions of NESAP, you would have more themes available. You can actually zoom in and zoom out. What this does is that the Canva area, which is to my right, where you are going to see your actual design take place, you can zoom in or zoom out. Okay, and you zoom out, you reduce it, and you zoom in, you increase it. All right, so I'm just going to leave it like here. All right, so and once you are done with all of this and you click on save, a new template will be created. So this layout options segment allow you to actually create a template or edit a template. If you are trying to edit a template, you get to see those options of your edited template here. To the right section, we have the layout design. This section allow you to actually perform your design and also preview your design. Okay, you get to see preview at the right hand here, preview. When you click on it, you see a preview of your current design. I don't have any design yet on the Canva, so there is nothing to preview. Just in the preview section, we have your general widget. Okay, these are tools or widgets that you are going to use while creating designs. All right, depending on the type of document you want to create, these designs will change. Have you seen that? Final reports have more of this. Depending on the designs you want to create, these widgets will change. So to the top here, we have the general widget, and to the bottom, we have the specific widget. These specific widgets are actually specific to the type of document you want to create. So if it's a receipt, you have receipt widget here, specific to it. If it's an invoice, you get to see invoice widget here specific to invoice. All right. Okay, so that's for the layout design. Still under the layout design, we have the canvas section where you actually perform different designs. So you can actually move a widget from here and drag onto the Canva. I can move an image from here, for example. I click on the image and it appears here. Okay, and you can do a lot of things. I can move a section and just clicking on it, it appears beneath the first widget that has been added to the Canva. All right, so and you can as well preview this because we have a design on the Canva now. You can preview it to see what is actually there. So you still need to work on the designs. In subsequent video in this course, you will get to see how to actually design a template. All right, so we'll move on to the another section, which is the layout section. This layout section allow you to see already created templates, whether it's an invoice or receipt, any template at all that has been created, you get to see them in this layout. Just beneath the layout options, you get to see the layout, already created layout. So you can click on this field, this arrow here, you get to select the type of template you are looking out for, and once you select it, you get to see if there are any. You see the created template already. You can now decide to edit, or you can decide to clone it, or you can decide to delete it. Take note, if you see this kind of label is a greenish star and in use label, it means that particular template is currently in use. And what happens is that you cannot delete a template that is currently in use. If you try to do that, you will not be able to do that. This layout design is currently in use in two layout items. Please detach before deleting. So for these orders that are in reserve, okay, as you can see, it means we can actually delete them if we attempt to delete them. So that's about it, showing you around the template layout and what to do with it. In the next video, we talk about design.